Hi friends, have you created your own instance on EC2? If yes, then let's see how to connect to the instance. Before that, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now let's directly jump to the EC2 Instance tab. So this video will be specific to the Mac OS. If you are Windows user, then I have another video for you. Link is given in the description. So now I'll show you 3 ways to connect to your instance. First way is to connect instance from your browser. Now let's see how. This is very simple and convenient. Make sure your instance is in running state. Select the instance. Click on the action button. Then click on connect. You will get redirect to another tab. Review your IP address and username. And click on the connect button. Here you go. It is so simple. Let's write some basic commands like ls to list down files and mkdir to make new directory. So this was the first way, very simple, but life is not always simple. You won't always have access to the AWS console. You might get only IP address, username and private key pair of an instance. In that case, if you have Mac, then you can use Terminal or FileZilla to connect to the instance. Now let's see how to connect to the instance by second way. Click on SSH client and all the steps are so nicely given. Let's follow these steps. First step is to open SSH client. So open terminal. Then locate your key pair file. So my file is in AWS instance key folder. I'll open it. This is my key pair file. And next step is ensure your key is not publicly viewable. So let me check access permission of my file. Okay, and now I'll run this command to change the access permission. And let me check again the permission. Okay, now it is read only to my user. Cool, finally it is time to connect to your instance. Copy this command. And wow, we are in our instance. Let's list down the files and I'll make one more directory here. Now I'll show you third way to connect to your instance using FileZilla. Download FileZilla from internet. Open FileZilla. Now go to File, Site Manager, click on New Site. Select SFTP protocol. Select logon type key file. Now enter the remaining information. Enter public address of your instance. Enter port 22. Do you remember in the security group we had added rule with SSH TCP 22? Yes, because of that I can access the instance through port 22 now. Enter username and provide key file here. These are our files. Other files are hidden since it begins with dot. Let me create one more directory here. And same you can see in terminal. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends, and most important, like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.